Are you able to get out?
Just find it again.
You're supposed to find someone to deliver.
Yes, you can. Okay, so we have to keep going.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, so we died. I don't know how we did it.
Can I continue? Do I just start over? Oh.
Trevor.
Oh, I start from midnight. Okay, so I guess midnight is when like all the shit goes down.
Oh. When the clown laughs, don't move and he'll disappear.
Okay, so if I do move,
he will stay there. Don't move and he'll disappear. Keep going.
Okay, so midnight.
Oh, hi there, Booba. You can beat the game, yes. Okay, so there is more to it.
Okay. What the fuck?
What did I do wrong?
I just walked.
I don't. What did I do wrong?
Oh, if I move, he'll chase and kill me? He didn't do that last time, and I feel like I moved after he laughed. Okay, so when she giggles, I can't move either. Because she giggled right before I moved.
Oh.
Yeah, so if she giggles, I can't move.
What happened? Okay, so...
You have to look at Emily after she laughs. But I couldn't find Emily.
Oh, she hides around the house to make her go away. Okay, okay. Well, now that we know, I think we'll be able to do this. I got scared of this
don't
screen.
move. Okay.
I'm sorry, you guys.
So when they do stuff, when they say stuff, like if you can hear them, don't move.
Okay, if you hear giggling, you have to look at her quickly so she disappears. Otherwise, she stinks up and scares you.
Okay. So she's in the room when she giggles? I guess she's in the room when she giggles. Or the doll.
So you have to find her.
Okay.
So she appears, she just spawns randomly, I think. So we just keep going until she giggles. Gosh, dang it.
I want the flashlight.
We don't have the flashlight?
It disappeared. I have to wait for the lights to go out again, and then I think it'll reappear. Okay.
Oh, nice hardwood floors, too. This is a beautiful house. I would just paint the walls, because they're like a little too dark. Maybe like a light yellow or green.
Oh, she giggled.
Oh, she giggled.
Okay, where is
she?
Crap! Oh my god!
Oh my god, I can't do this game.
Did you hear how loud she screamed? Okay. I've got this.
I'm so glad you're playing this game.
I couldn't find her. I looked. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm crying. That was awful.
Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. Alright. Oh, okay.
I can't stop.
Oh, I do have the light. I left click for the light.
Funny. Oh man, you guys are hilarious.
I think they want to kill me. Okay.
We're making progress. Okay, good. I'm gonna need to get some tissues. Okay, one second. I'm gonna grab some tissues.
Is there
Oh no. I'm stuck.
just the closet? Okay.
Oh, find her!
where is he?
Find her! Find
I'm
her!
looking, I'm looking, I'm looking. Oh my gosh, she's not even here! Snow really doesn't like this game. She quit at life. Snow's just like on the floor right now.
Oh my god. I'm crying.
Dragon protection won't help you here.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I was like stuck because I was trying to get my tissues, but my headphone cord is really short, so I was stuck. Oh, my lights went out. That's okay. We don't care about lights.
Okay.
Okay, so we died again.
She does this even on games like The Sims. I looked all around and I couldn't find her. She wasn't there.
Are you not supposed to move?
I didn't move. I just swiveled. I was just looking.
Maybe you're not supposed to swivel.
But like you're supposed to look at her. Okay, let's figure this out.
You didn't wear the brown pants? Oh my god, yeah.
Okay.
I'm crying because of laughter. Oh my god. Just focus on the hardwood floors and the furniture still. Okay, I agree.
Okay.
I agree.
Alright, and then you want me to go this way? Do you want me to go that way?
Man, you guys. Well, so where do we go? What do we do? Okay. Okay, there she is.
Look at her. She's on the wall.
Well,
oh, because she's a doll. She's a doll, so if you look at her, she can't move. That's why you have to look at her.
Like Toy Story.
Yeah.
Okay, well, do we just stare
this
at her?
game is exactly like Toy Story.
Oh!
Okay. All right.
Now we know how to do it. You nailed it. Good job.
Yeah.
You're saving my voice tomorrow. Yeah. Man thumb.
Okay. A man thumb?
A bro fist, not a man thump.
Okay.
Men don't thump each other.
The blue screen of death, did they put that here because we're gonna die?
That is actually really funny. Man thump? What? Ah! That was just a warning scream. Oh, find her! Yeah! Fuck you! Sorry, I don't know where that came from. I'm sorry.
I can't.
I don't know. It just came out. I don't know. Oh, I'm thirsty. It just came out.
Oh, she went that way. Okay.
Okay, we go that way.
Okay. Should we follow her?
I don't know. She keeps opening and closing doors.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only way we can go. Oh. Shit. Oh,
The closet? Yeah.
okay. Oh, excuse me language, you guys. This is gonna make me cuss like a sailor. Like a pirate. Oh my god.